Hello, students. Myself Jitan Kumar Chauhan, working as an assistant professor in ABES Engineering College. Today, we will going to discuss about the two topic, which is known as TELNET and the VPN, which is virtual private network. TELNET operations, the TELNET uses the TCP port number 23, and it is an older protocol that uses an unsecure plain text transmission of both the login authentication username and password. As you can see here, the username is xterm and the password is ns. So here can say ccna. So we can say that it basically plain text format. So it is not secure. So here, instead of using a telnet, we can use an SSH, which is a secure shell network, in order to communicate over a remote network. So then the data transmitted between the communicating device, a threat actor can monitor the packet using the Wireshark. So in the figure, the threat actor can capture the username admin and the password CSNA from a telnet session. So that's why the telnet is not a secure mechanism for the remote communications. Here, instead of the telnet, we can use the SSH, is a secure shell network for the remote communication. Next is the virtual private network. So here we will discuss about basically what is virtual private network, types of virtual private networks, why we use virtual private network, types of VPN protocols, encryptions, disadvantage of virtual private network. So here, a virtual private network is a network that uses the internet or the other network services to transmit the data. So virtual private network includes the authentication and encryptions to protect data integrity and the confidentiality. So here we can use the encryption mechanism so that your data is basically encrypted in first in order to transfer to you remotely. So we can talk about the remote access VPNs. So provides an access to the internal corporate networks over the internet. It reduces the long distance, modem, bank, and the technical support cost. So that's basically the advantages. So site-to-site VPN, we can say connect the multiple offices over the internet. It reduces the dependencies on the frame relays and release lines. And we can say it's an extranet VPN. It provides the business partners access to the critical informations like the leads, sales tools, and so many more. Reduces the transactions and the operational cost here. And intranet VPNs links the corporate headquarters, remote offices, and the branch offices over a shared infrastructures using a dedicated connection site. So why we use the virtual private networks? That is because of the more flexibility is there, more scalability is there, and it also reduces the cost. That is where the lower cost is. So, and the disadvantage of the VPN is that it basically comprises with the lower bandwidth available compared to the dial-in lines, inconsistent remote access performance due to the changes in the internet connectivity, and no entrance into the network if the internet connection is broken. So these are the disadvantages related to the VPN. So these are the references used for this lecture. And this is a disclaimer. And thank you.